Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 16th of February 2022. Taking a look here at Bitcoin on a 3-week chart. There's not much of a change really. I mean, the new 3-week candle opened just this week on Monday. The last one closed on Sunday the 13th. And it closed back above the Kijun-sen, so that's bullish, good, grand, wonderful. Zipping on over to the weekly chart, you can see some continued bullish activity here that, well, sort of. Last week, and it all came crumbling down on Thursday due to that poor CPI data and then the Russia-Ukraine stuff going on. But Bitcoin was well above the Ichimoku cloud, then it got hammered lower, and where it closed pretty much right below the weekly Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen. Both of weekly Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen, the Tenkan-sen's at 42,548, and the Senko-span A, I didn't mean to say Kijun-sen. Senko-span A is at 42,646. So they're basically right on top of each other. And Bitcoin closed at 42,073. So, really all three of those are almost kind of right on top of one another. Fast forward to this week, Bitcoin is above the Tenkan-sen and Senko-span A. That's good. That's bullish. Really needs to maintain that level to remain bullish. The real danger zone for Bitcoin is if it has a weekly close below the cloud, which would be at the Senko-span A is at it is at 37,367. So if it closes below there, oof, that could be really ugly. But ultimately, the goal is to create an ideal bullish Ichimoku breakout, which could occur. Actually, it needs a lot higher than that, I guess. Never mind. Let's go to the weekly chart. Sorry, that was the weekly chart. The daily chart, I mean. So there was this head and shoulders pattern that broke down below. Really broke down below it on the 8th of January, but then extended the move, and we've retested the break. It moved back into inside that, or rather above the neckline on the 7th of February. Traded back down below it over the weekend into Monday. And then Tuesday had the big spike up, return, closed above the neckline and above the Tenkan-sen. Fast forward to today, we are currently below the Tenkan-sen and that neckline again. So it's a very, very choppy zone, and especially because we're inside the cloud now. I mean, this is really just the definition of chop, and it's probably going to continue that way for 2 more days at least, 2 to 3 more days. By Saturday, let's see, this is 17, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yeah, by Saturday, if Bitcoin has a daily close at 42,725, that will fulfill an ideal bullish Ichimoku breakout, and we could see some really big expansive moves higher. But of course, we need to see that kind of price action play out. So yeah, it's going to be really, really interesting how this plays out here. So definitely keep an eye on 43,000 as a level that, if it breaks, could signal and trigger a move down to the Kijun-sen at 40K. Just keep an eye on that. But otherwise, yeah, Bitcoin, despite the little drop today, still looks poised for some nice bullish momentum. And I'll update it as needed. From all of us here at Exchange Rates UK TV, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.